Introducing one of our 2022 Kia K5s. This K5 is one of our GT lines. It comes standard with the front-wheel drive system. The GT line cars show a lot of attention to detail when in the interior. As you see, the car does have a flat-bottom steering wheel and also a push-to-start. The trim in the car is brushed aluminum with red leather seats with a black stripe going down the middle. You can also see that the GT line is stitched into these sporty seats. When looking at the rear seats of the car, they also have the sporty look as the front. Unfortunately, the GT line emblem is not engraved in the seat, but it does have the sporty look. The car comes with 18-inch gloss black sport wheels. The color of the car is gray, but it definitely looks like the Audi Nardo gray. As most of the new cars and also these new Kias, they come with lane keep assist from factory. The car comes powered with a 1.6-liter single-turbo 4-cylinder. We have a few of these in stock in multiple different colors at Kia.